Good Sunday morning, guys. Welcome back. Thanks for watching this video. Please click the like button and please subscribe for more videos to come. Today we are doing a 4-cheese smoked queso Tex-Mex style. Let's go. I'm using two meats today. I'm using chorizo, HEB grass-fed beef. Here it is, the finished product. We have our loaded queso Texas style with some finished garnish there with some hot sauce, cilantro, and queso Fresco. First bite. Wow, that's great. This recipe makes a lot of queso. This is just a small personal cup. This is great for parties and get-togethers and just hanging out. I definitely recommend this queso. Super easy to do. Cooked it on the pellet grill, about 350 degrees, 45 minutes stirring. I did add a cup of milk to help thin it out. You can put as much cheese, as much meat, whatever the toppings you want. We built it to taste as far as what we like and the style that we're looking for. I really appreciate you. Hit like, please subscribe to this video. I'll see you next time. Barbecue anytime.